Hello friends, today's topic, working for 12 hours a day, right or wrong? Your comments please. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society. In this video, we are presenting three important pieces of information for all investors which are very useful. Topic number one is, recently founder of Infosys Narayan Murthy made a statement that for India to grow rapidly and move forward, Indian youngsters should work for 70 hours a week. This translates to employees working 14 hours a day if a company has 5 days a week and around 11.5 hours a day if it is 6 days a week. Due to this statement, many people have endorsed his views and large number of people objected to this, since if a person works around 12 to 14 hours a day, he is unlikely to spend much time with family and friends and hence will have no work-life balance. It has also brought out the issue of IT companies expecting employees of working long hours but not paying a good salary. Now, for a comparison of fresher and CEO pay in IT companies, I am giving some data, and that is CEO annual pay, fresher annual pay in 2012 and 2022. And you can have a look and understand. Infosys CEO annual pay in 2012 was 80 lakhs, 2022 79.75 crores. Wipro 5.1 crore versus 64 crores, TCS 8 crores versus 34 crores, HCL 8.4 crores versus 22 crores, Tech Mahindra 1 crore versus 29 crores. Now fresher annual pay, you can have a close look at it, and that is in 2012 the freshers were paid in Infosys 2.75 lakhs, now 3.6 lakhs. Wipro 2.4 lakhs versus 3.5 lakhs. TCS 1.6 lakhs versus 4 lakhs, and HCL 3 lakhs versus 3.5 lakhs, and Tech Mahindra 2.5 lakhs versus 3.4 lakhs. As you can see, the starting salary of freshers has hardly increased by 20 to 30% in the last 10 years. However, the salary of the CEOs of the company has multiplied 3 to 10 times in the last 10 years. Ideally, the starting salary of freshers would have at least been double of what in 2012, considering inflation and the high probability of IT companies. Also, generally in a day, if a person works for 9 to 10 hours, he is likely to be productive for only 4 to 5 hours. Hence, number of hours of work may not be as important as the productivity during the day. Now I am coming to topic number 2. Reliance Industries reported good results on Friday evening. They were better than analysts' expectations. Watch our video made on Saturday, in which we have shared the highlights of the quarterly results. As expected, Reliance shares rallied today. It was up by more than 2% today. Brokerage companies have upgraded the target price. Now, revised target price of Reliance Industries, current market price is 2319. Nomura rating buy, target price before results not known, target price after results 2925. Jeffries, target before result 2095, after results 3000. Morgan Stanley, target before results 2821, target after results 2821. Macquarie, rating neutral, target before results 2100, target after results 2200. Now coming to Motilal Oswal, target after results 2760. Choice Broking, the target after results 2350. MK Global, rating is buy, target after results 2730. Some brokerage companies are expecting an upside of up to 29% in the next 1 year, whereas a few brokerage companies are expecting the stock to be quite flat. As such, as per the target price of brokerage companies, the downside is limited since the stock price has already underperformed the overall markets in the last 1 year. Now, topic number 3. As per reports, Titan Company is preparing to launch an exclusive store which will be on the basis of invitation only and will cater to only loyal customers. The store will offer high-end jewelry with a minimum ticket size of rupees 10 lakhs. It is likely to be set up in 17,000 square feet space in Delhi. Based on the response to the pilot store in Delhi, they will plan to launch in other major cities in India. Through this initiative, Titan is focusing on the premium jewelry segment and providing a good buying experience for high net individuals. High-end jewelry also has the highest profit margins for jewelry companies. At the end of the video, here is the real question. Is it right or wrong to work 12 hours a day? Right or wrong, you may type in the chat box. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.